Welcome back. Mixed garbage plant technology decision will be taken up by GSIDC. Meeting held at Secretariat on Monday decided to put dustbin at the roadside. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Deputy CM Francis D'Souza, Environment Minister Alina Saldhana and Goa State Pollution Control Board officials were present for the meeting. The meeting has also decided to give wildlife taxi number to those residing within the Wildlife National Park.
And plan on the wildlife taxi numbers to be allotted to the people residing within the areas of the national park. And also with respect to the Dudhsagar. So various rules and regulations have been discussed so that more opportunities are given to those who apply for the wildlife taxi numbers. Wednesday, yeah. Yeah, mixed garbage treatment plant. Everybody will be sitting down. I think basically GSIDC. Yes, and they will take a decision. Yeah. Now the bidding is already done, I think, and it's being scrutinized.
Panji is all set to welcome King Momo on 9 February at Panji. Various competitions are being planned by the corporation. CCP Commissioner Sajid Rodrigues briefed the media over the whole management in capital city on Saturday. Carnival anthem written by John Agyar and sung by Mukesh Katwal was also released on Monday.
Carnival committee has also made arrangements to have the entire church square free of traffic. We will see that the entertainment and the spirit of carnival is not disturbed by anything except for one lane of traffic which will go on along the Hindu Pharmacy Road. We will have a road closure around the Garcia Dorta which would then be converted into this activity zone for the 4 days. Lots of competitions which would be part of the carnival entertainment. The decor also would be going with the Latino theme. Lots of people and lots of minds have come together to plan the decor, the lighting and the entertainment in this zone.
Video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Delicious cuisine from Gujarat, Arunachal Pradesh, Kashmir and most states will tickle the taste buds at Goa Carnival Food Festival. Carnival, budgeted to almost 3 crores, will focus on themes like garbage and corruption-free state and Goan culture. Tourism Minister Dilip Parwekar informed that each float will be scrutinized by scrutiny committee before proving its entry. Tourism Minister Dilip Parwekar held meeting with chairpersons of municipalities, police officials, fire safety and other officials at the Secretariat on Monday. Later, he briefed media on the review meeting.
या फूड फेस्टिवलान आजपर्यंत 4 स्टेटी आमच्यो तांच्यांनी एप्लाय आमच्या बरोबर करून कोऑर्डिनेशन करून म्हाका दिसता गुजरात, काश्मीर, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, दिल्ली अशे 4 स्टेटी आसात आणि बाकीच्या स्टेटी कडेन आमचो अप्रोच जाल्ले आसा तेंचे येता अशें म्हटलें आहा. फुडल्या 2 दिसांक फायनल जावन हय 5 स्टेटी वो 8 स्टेटी फायनल फिगर कळटलो. कार्निवल आणि फूड फेस्टिवल म्हणून टोटल म्हणून 3 कोटी 1 लाख 45 फ्लोट आमचे कडेन नोंदणी जाल्ली आसा. पण सादारणशे एक 100 फ्लोट वर्ष पद्धतीने येता पळय और मोर दॅन दॅट 100 तरी आसतलेच आसले. प्रत्येक जाग्यार जो कार्निवल जाता थंयसर स्क्रुटिनिंग कमिटी आसा आणि हे फायनलायज करतले की आमी जो थीम दिला ह्या थिमा प्रमाणे तो फ्लोट आसा काय नाही. जर बियॉन्ड द थीम गेला, समज एखादी वल्गरिटी आसा वा आनी कितें आसा जाल्यार तो मायनस करप हे कमिटी डिसिजन करतली.
थीम कितें आसा तुमचो?
थीम जो आसा हो गार्बेज फ्री, ड्रग फ्री आणि ताज्या बरोबर आमचे गोंयचे कितें जे कल्चर आसा हे गोंयचे कल्चर घेवन त्या कल्चराचेर बेज रावन हे फ्लोट जे आहा ते आसचे अशें म्हणून आमी प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा.
Our reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte from Secretariat. Absence of cautionary sign on National Highway resulted in an accident of a truck at Giri Mapsa on Sunday night. The newly laid speed breaker at the highway has no cautionary sign board. The driver and cleaner escaped with minor injuries. A truck carrying laterite stone totaled at Montagiri on Mapsa Panji highway on Sunday night. The new speed breaker on the highway is the reason. Sources claim that the speed breaker was laid on Sunday evening without any cautionary sign. The driver and cleaner escaped with minor injuries.
Road break घातलं ना. त्या माझ ब्रेकवर फोन धरलो गाडी गेलो ना केस वाटेल रिटर्न करसून आणि काय प्रॉब्लेम आमचे थोडं लेबरचे मार लागले म्हाका थोडं मार लागलो लेबराक मार लागला थोडे मारसे मार लागले आणि तुका म्हाका थोडं मार लागलो ते स्पीड ब्रेकर दिसोंक ना तुका दिसना काल सांची घातली ती डेलीची रोड ना आमकां तेका लागून तुका कळोंक ना तू ब्रेक मारलो कितें उलटी जाली गाडी उलटी जाली न्हू कोणाक काय जालें
A reporter from Giri, Shamsundar Fatti. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.